If you don't want to miss the opportunity of your lip makeup being the absolute best, just watch this lipstick tutorial till the end. First, draw a contour with green liquid lipstick, apply black holographic glitter, and the green one you can easily clean the areas in between because it's a negative space. After that, paint the leaves with the same green liquid lipstick, apply glitter primer, and start applying the holographic black and the green glitter again, keeping the darker one in the bottom for a 3D effect. Safe to recreate when you need it. Let's do eye makeup without leaving the lip makeup. What? Paint the green and yellow ombre, sketch out the eyes and fill them in with white liquid lipstick. Paint the differently colored irises, make the pupils, the lens flares, and add the black lashes. This was the most tedious part. I was exhausted. Then carve the lips with foundation and follow to learn more crazy and colorful makeup ideas. You do not want to miss this simple tutorial for sparkly lips. First of all, paint a contour with green liquid lipstick, then with the same matte liquid lipstick, paint circles and some random swirls. Then go into a multi-chrome, shifting from lime green to teal, and fill in almost all of the contours, leaving just a slight border. Let me know if I should fill in the lips with color, comment yes and no, and follow me for more ideas. Here's a lip look that's more maintainable throughout the day. I have looks like this exclusively on my Patreon every month. So outline the lips with the lightest color of all the four, which is the yellow, and do the ombre going from darker green to the lighter green and finally to the yellow, and do this ombre in the opposite direction on the second half of the lip. Blend the colors together well, and then also add the black and the white outline for a 3D effect and carve your lips with foundation. Yes, the link to the Patreon is in the description box, so is the link to the ebook, which contains artistic lip arts like the next one. Hey, do you want to paint this lip art? Then let's go. Use a darker green liquid lipstick all over your lips, then use a lighter green color in the dry fan brush to create the grass texture. Use a thin brush and a black liquid lipstick to create the circles where the future ladybugs will be. Then with a flat tapered brush, color all the ladybugs in different colors. This is the fun part. Then use the thin brush again and a black liquid lipstick to draw the antennae, then to separate their wings. And in order to draw the dots, pick up a nail dotter and just put these dots on. After that, just use a little bit of foundation to carve your lip line and you're done. Follow me for more lip art and a lot of creative makeup.